Base44 discount code. Base44 occasionally offers discount codes that help new users save on their subscriptions or gain bonus credits during sign-up. These discount codes are often released during promotional periods or partner campaigns, allowing users to access the platform's AI and automation tools at a reduced rate. Whether you're exploring Base44 for workflow automation or app creation, using a valid promo code can make your start more affordable. Discount codes typically provide percentage-based savings on monthly or annual plans or offer free credits to test integrations and AI functions. For instance, users might receive additional message credits or integration limits, helping them explore more features without paying extra upfront. These promotions are ideal for startups, small businesses, and individual creators who want to experiment before committing to a full plan. In real-world use, Base44's promotional discounts have benefited users building automation tools, chatbots, and data-driven apps. Many creators and teams use these codes to explore higher-tier features like API connections, AI agents, or collaboration tools without immediate cost increases. These short-term offers provide real value while supporting platform adoption among new users. You can start using Base44 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to create, test, and launch your own AI-powered apps at no cost.